Hello and welcome to another video. We're out again hiking / photographing nature in a well-promised location. We are in Rhodes Island to the top of Ebona village. It's at almost at the highest point of the island, and we will follow a route that goes between the mountain and some riverside. Hopefully we will see some small waterfalls or big waterfalls for the location. Doesn't matter. The point is that it's an opportunity to go out, have fun, enjoy the walk, the hiking, and who knows, maybe get some good photos as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and join to all the videos that will follow. Keep until the end. Let's go.
Here we have some like and subscribe.
Now this area of Rhodes is well known for its grape, and they make excellent wine. So you see here are some grape fields, and at the top there is part of Ataviros, which is the highest point of the island. We follow this route. I guess we're going somewhere this way, and yeah, so far we have a bit of clouds, and that's good because it makes some interesting photos with shadows and light. And fortunately it's not windy, so it's not really cold. It's the first time we come this way, and it's a very promising route, so hopefully we'll get some interesting shots. Yeah, let's see. Flowers, landscape, chasing the light as we did the last time. Interesting things to photograph. And enjoy. That's the whole point anyway. Yeah. So let's keep it up. And this is the point that we say goodbye to the dirt road and enter the river. Well, dry river so far, but you can see this is the way the river comes. The water runs this direction here, so we follow this path to the mountain top over there. Let's see. Now this is what I like about these things of excursions, walks, hiking, I don't know how you want to call them. But every time we visit a place that is unknown, the most interesting thing is this, that you never know what you will find. So you have all your senses at work, trying to see what is around, find the path, and make some good photos as well. Now we have clouds in the sky, so we have an overcast day so far, which is not really good as far as photography goes, but then again, you never know. So let's see what good things we will find. There you go. A little bit of water. Starts to get interesting. Let's go, people. Come on. Find the way. Where is our leader?
Follow the water.
Follow the water. Now, there are some turns, some interesting turns. All you have to do is just follow the sound of nature, the sound of the water actually, that runs, and hopefully it will take us to a small waterfall that we are looking for. Let's see. Oops, let's go.
Εδώ έχεις καλή λήψη.
Ναι. Now approaching this waterfall is tricky, but it's really beautiful. Following a small path that gets you to the top of the waterfall. Now I don't know how exactly I'm going to get to the bottom to get a good photo, a long exposure. That I have not figured it out yet, but maybe from this point of view I can get a long exposure of the waterfall here. See how I am going to frame it. Let's see. Well, we made it to the bottom of the waterfall. Try to find an angle to shoot. It's really hard because it's slippery, it's full of water. Try to find a foreground element that can create a nice composition with a waterfall at the back. It's really interesting. It's something that you don't see often in the island of Rhodes. It's an island that is famous for its beaches and stuff. So having this kind of beauty is excellent, and it's a good opportunity to photograph it as much as we can. So we scout around, we found different angles and see what we can get. We made it to the end. We made it back to Ebona village. Time to get some coffee now, relax, get some food and enjoy the rest of the day. Until next time, go out and shoot some photos. See you later.